Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect GoCardless for recurring insurance premium collections, full guide step by step clearly. To connect GoCardless for recurring insurance premium collections, start by visiting the GoCardless website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill out the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Once registered, verify your email address by following the link sent to your inbox. After verification, log into your GoCardless account. Navigate to the Settings tab located in the dashboard. Under Settings, find the Bank Account section. Click on the Add a Bank Account button. Enter your bank details, including your account number and sort code. Confirm and save your bank information. Next, set up your GoCardless integration with your insurance software. Visit the integration page for your specific insurance software. Follow the prompts to connect GoCardless to your platform. You may need to provide your GoCardless API key, which can be found in the Developers section of the GoCardless dashboard. Once connected, create a new payment collection plan for your insurance premiums. Specify the amount, frequency, and start date for collection. Make sure to outline the terms and conditions of the payment plan clearly. Save the payment collection plan once all details have been entered correctly. Inform your clients about the new payment method and provide them with a link to authorize their direct debit. After clients authorize, you will be notified via your GoCardless dashboard. Monitor the status of collections in the payments section of your account. In case of any payment issues, refer to the Help section for troubleshooting tips. Make necessary adjustments and communicate with clients as needed. Now you have successfully connected GoCardless for recurring insurance premium collections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.